Hello and welcome back to Pixel Profiles. In today's video, I am going to unbox the iPhone XS Space Gray model. This is our unopened iPhone XS box. When we look over on the back side of the box, we see we have the 256GB Space Gray model. Let's take the plastic wrapping off quickly. Let's open the box. Let's go ahead and lift the box open. Here we have the iPhone XS. Let's put that aside for a moment. In the packaging, we do have our earpods that comes along with the lightning connector. We do have the wall plug charger. Finally, we have the lightning cable. Once I take this envelope open, we do have the different instruction leaflets in a few languages. 2 Apple stickers. And we have also SIM eject tool. Let's put this back in the envelope. Here is our iPhone XS Space Gray 256GB model. Let's take the plastic wrapping off quickly. Now I am powering the iPhone on for the first time. Setting up of the phone is not a scope for this video. So this is pretty much the quick unboxing video of the iPhone XS. Thank you so much for checking out this iPhone XS unboxing video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos, please take few seconds to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you on to the next video and have an absolutely awesome day.